Okay, for this video we continue with exercise 8.2 in your SUSE Linux Enterprise training or hands-on lab. Previously we used the YAS package to manage the software, install and uninstall the software inside the SUSE Linux. For exercise 8.2, we were using another package. We call it as PackageKit to manage the software, to install the software inside our SUSE Linux. Okay, by default they will use desktop, but I changed it so that because some of you didn't have the desktop version, right? Most of us having a server version, so I changed to server, and then you see the type of software also are different compared to your manual. So for exercise 8.2, later you follow my manual here, then you can get the same answer when you capture it. Okay, not SLAD, we're using the server version. Okay, first you insert your DVD drive, or for us we're using the virtual machine, right? So the ISO file must be here, your server version must be here. Then your ISO image now act as your virtual DVD. As long as you have your DVD here, the ISO file, so you can install the software. So that means we using the DVD itself or ISO file to install the software, not from the repository or other internet resource, directly from the DVD web. Okay, now we can start. Click on the main menu computer button on the bottom of the screen. This button. Okay, click, and then you go to the more application here, the more application, then you will see the more application system, Windows, then go to the system one more time. The system, inside the system, this is the system, they highlight the system. Beside the system you have many other things here, but for the system they highlight all the system component, and then you go to the add remove software. In Windows we have add remove program, right? Similarly here in SUSE Linux we have add remove software, same concept. So you see all the packages and then type of packages inside, because in Linux system file they use the hierarchical or tree structure, so they classify the installer or all the software based on the usage, not like Windows, they have everything inside, but here they didn't put in whole, they put in cluster or the class or classification of the software. You can see all packages, everything will be displayed, but if you just choose a graphic, this is the graphic related tools, a lot, because open source we have a lot more, and can be support games, education, calculator, and analysis, and many more. So this is the add remove software. So the PackageKit application open, this is PackageKit lah, PackageKit. Then for this lab I give you another software, Apache 2. Try to find Apache 2. What is Apache 2? All package. Okay. This is Apache 2. Apache 2 is the Apache web server. We can find that Apache web server version 2.2 here in the CD, in the DVD or ISO image. But if you install directly from the repository, maybe you can get the higher version or the latest version of it. Apache is the web server application, means if you install and enable it, you can host a web server in your SUSE Linux here. We'll see later another exercise when we locate or we deploy our instance in cloud. But this one is locally, right? No problem. Later we can do more advanced configuration in the cloud environment. So for this one, you select the Apache Web Server version 2.2 i586. This is architecture. This is the version Apache 2 2.2.12-1.28.1. Okay, when you click here, you choose here, then click apply. Then you will install the package, the software packages. So you need 4 additional packages which come together. When you want to install Apache 2, you need to download. Okay, then install. And click install. You are required to enter your password. This is for admin password to authenticate root password. Okay, now I am installing the web server. It's quite big file. However, when we install it directly from the CD or DVD, it's okay. We didn't rely on the internet, so not rely to the network. It's faster. Okay. Now I already installed it, Apache Web Server 2.2. You see here, when you install, it will pop up like this. The tick here. Okay. Then when from the menu bar, select filter. You got this filter. Install, only install. So only install means they will give you the packages that you already installed. Only installed by you. But this one, not Phelan, you change it to Apache. Okay, then you will see here. If you didn't put Apache, so because the filter, put on the install, right? Then put Apache 2, not Phelan, Apache 2. Then you can see this one. Then not Phelan, but Apache 2. Change it to Apache 2. Then in the list on the right, program appear with the checkbox to the left indicating that it's installed. This is the one that we installed. Then to exit, select quick from the system menu. Then quick. That's all for installing your system or the software from the PackageKit. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice